Today, March 4th, over here at the mobile, and cleaned a lot more grout today. You can see the dirty grout and then the clean grout. Huge difference. These people were disgusting. So I cleaned it basically everywhere I could reach. We're getting our kitchen together slowly. Assembled and mounted a ceiling fan, but there doesn't appear to be power to that outlet, which is extremely annoying and something I should have checked first. Let's see. Got a whole stack of ceiling fans there ready to go in. So we started doing some drywall patch, whatever you want to call it, over the gaps to make them smooth. Gonna sand it, do another coat. Scraped off some busted paint. Just trying to make these walls paint ready. Got out the flooring, stack of flooring that was in here. This flooring is what we're gonna put down, I believe. This one right here. And then we did the same joint compound, whatever you want to call it, in the corner here, which should look decent. Better than putting like a little piece of trim, I think. We'll see. But we got to do all these joints everywhere in this room. It's a lot.